All right, the question here is multiplication of numbers in standard form. So the question is saying if R is equals to 4,2 times 10 to the power of 5 and Q is equals to 7 times 10 to the power of negative 3, evaluate QR, leave the answer in standard form. So standard form is also called scientific notation. It's a way of writing very large numbers or very small numbers, especially used when by scientists when they're doing their measurements. For example, you can be asked to measure the distance of between two cities in meters. Maybe from Harare to Bulawayo, you measure the distance in what meters. The number become very, very large. So we express in standard form. So how do we write? How do we answer this question? So we are going to say QR is equal to. So the value of Q is 7 times 10 to the power of negative 3 in brackets. Then multiply by the value of R, we have 4,2 times 10 to the power of 5, like this. So what we are going to do next, we are going to say 7 multiplied by 4,2 times 10 to the power of negative 3 times 10 to the power of 5, like this. That is what we are going to do. This number times this number times 10 to the power of 3 times 10 to the power of 5, which means we move on and say, if we say 7 times 4,2, we get 29,4. Then multiply by 10 times 10 to the power of negative 3 times 10 to the power of 5, we get 10 to the power of positive 2. We are using the laws of indices, which means say when we are multiplying with numbers with same base here, you add the power. So we say minus 3 plus 5. That's where we get positive 2. So which means this is the number that we get. But if we check this answer is not in standard form, because the standard form says the number should be in the form a times 10 to the power of n, where a is a number that is greater than or equal to 1 but less than 10. So this first number a is 29,4, which is more than what? 10. So we are going to change the 29,4 into to express 29,4 in standard form. So we are going to move the comma in between 2 and 9. So it becomes 2,94 times 10 to the power of 1. Then we express this number only in standard form. But don't forget, we have to multiply by another 10 to the power of 2 here, which means we end up and say 2,94 multiplied by 10 to the power of 1 plus 2, which is 2,94 times 10 to the power of 3. So we have expressed the answer in standard form. So it's very important to understand that when you get the answer, don't leave it like this, because if you leave it like this, 29,4 is not in standard form, this number. So you have to convert 29,4 into standard form, you get this one. Then you multiply again by 10 to the power of 2, so that you get the answers.